Okay, so how do we proceed with this one? The best is always to try and determine the functions, the separate functions that you have and how they are related to each other. So if we come here, we find that we've got this sub-function here, and then we've got that sub-function here. And then what's the relationship? These are multiplying. So meaning that highly likely here, we're going to have product rule. That's what we'll apply. Okay, that's the first step. Then the second step that we need to look at is what types of functions do we have? We have one here, okay, that will use the power rule, okay, and then here we've got the trig. So these are the methods that we will apply to solve this one. We know that generally the main one must be the product, then the power rule must be applied here, and then the trig rule must be applied there. Okay, so let's start. So we said that the main one is the product rule, and then we'll have some sub differentiation. So what are the functions that we'll extract? We'll say u is equal to x3, and then on the side here we'll have v is equal to tan x. It's as simple as that. So we're using the product rule because that's what our main one is going to be. So now we do you don't have to show these, I show because I want to show our progression, but when obviously it's schoolwork or anything like that, you don't have to show that. So here we're going to find du over dx is equal to 2x 3x 2. Okay, we've applied our power rule. Here we're going to say dv over dx is going to be, and remember we have to know what these are. So we said that this doesn't start with CO, so we know that its derivative is not going to be negative. And then we said that the relationship of this one is sec, and then we know that it's sec squared x. Okay, that's the relationship, that's the derivative. Then we have this, so now we just have to remember our formula. This can be in any direction because it's addition, so you can say u dv over dx like that plus v du over dx. So this is going to be u x power 3, then dv dx is sec squared x, plus then we're going to have we said here that we're going to have v, which is tan x, so you have to put them in the right places, and then so I'll put this in brackets, and then we're going to have du dx, which is this one, 3x squared. Okay, so this will give us what? This is going to give us x power 3 like that, sec squared x. Then we're going to have plus, this now comes, the multiplier is there, x squared, then plus tan x like that. So we can even factorize here to give us our base factors. So here we're going to have x squared, here we'll have x sec squared x plus this went away, then we have 3 tan x. Okay, you would have made your derivative here. So what is key is check what functions do I have. I've got this one, which you call for power rule, like we've seen here. I've got the trig, then I check the relationship between them, then I know, okay, I'm going to use the product rule. I'll use separately, I'll use the power rule, and then I'll use the trig. So collectively product, individually power rule and trig rule, then you know your strategy beyond that.